Good morning, guys. Sit, 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 sit. People want to see me dancing, say shanty, kachika. Let me see the hashtags coming in. This is my favorite Somali song right now. Yeah, who wants me to twerk? How many people want to see me dancing? Make the hashtag shanty dance, 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 and you're going to see miracles. Sit, sit, sit. You're not telling me anything. Come on, cheer me up. That's me. I love money. Show us behind. So make the hashtag show us behind. The song is over. Huh? Ko?
Sometimes it's the simplest things.
Play Conscience, one song and I'm gonna go off.
Join me in
the one you're playing.
Healing Project on a journey.
Yeah, my nigga. Well, Suad, this hair grows so fast. You can see. The Conscience song. Conscience, the Braco. Conscience, the Jamaican song you played. Yeah.